Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting exponential problem in which we are given a cube plus a square equals to 36 and a belongs to a real number and we have to find the value of a. So we can write a cube plus a square minus 36 equals to 0, and we can rewrite the above equation as a cube minus 27 plus a square minus 9 equals to 0, which will become a cube minus 3 cube plus a square minus 3 square equals to 0. And we know that m cube minus n cube equals to m minus n times m square plus n square plus m times n. Also, m square minus n square equals to m plus n times m minus n. So the above equation will become a minus 3 times a square plus 9 plus 3a plus a plus 3 times a minus 3 equals to 0. Now take a minus 3 common, we get a square plus 3a plus 9 plus a plus 3. So this will become a minus 3 equals to 0 and a square plus 4a plus 12 equals to 0. So on solving this we get a equals to 3 and here we have a square plus 4a plus 12 equals to 0. From this we can find the value of a using quadratic formula, which says x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a for any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a equals to minus 4 plus minus under root 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 12 divided by 2 times 1. And solving this we get a equals to minus 4 plus minus under root 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 1 4 times 12, that is 48 divided by 2. And further solving this we get minus 4 plus minus under root minus 32 divided by 2, which is an imaginary number, and we are given that a belongs to a real number. So we neglect this value and hence the value of a is 3. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.